This fucking. Oh shit. Oh my god. Fucking. Alright, so. The whole day, I'm fucking in the midst of all these same mosquitoes. You see, they were never really bothering me. Until it's time to go. You see? Now when it's time to go, you've now altered your mood. This is not what one with the universe looks like. This is as far from being one with shit that you can get. But I'm telling you, I'm fucking onto something. I'm onto something. There's a vibrational shift that takes place. And if you find that right shift, I think you can walk through this shit without getting bit by fucking mosquitoes. But I'm a far fucking cry from figuring this shit out. Oh, they're gone now. But like I had like 15 of them. Oh shit. This is fucking. Oh god. Damn. This. It's not fun once you change that shift. Once it's time to go. Oh, a lot of work to do here. Fuck.